Now we will discuss the poetic devices used in the poem. The poem is in conversation tone. She, it's not the type like it seems that some conversation is going on. So this is a conversation tone. All these things you have to write down in your copies. Second, alliteration is used. See the third line. Stop that slouching and sit up straight. S, S, S are repeated 4 times. So, the see the letters, first letter of the word stop, slouching, sit, and straight. So, S is repeated, so that is alliteration. In the third stanza, I thought I told you to clean your shoes. TT is repeated twice, thought and told. So here again alliteration is used. Then if in the last stanza, stop that sulking at once, Amanda. So here also SS is repeated twice, so it is alliteration. Now coming to other figure of speech, allusion. Allusion means that you are relating to the some famous stories or famous tales. Tales means story only, fairy tales if you are referring to. So mermaid is mermaid, word mermaid. So here allusion is used here. And second, Rapunzel. Rapunzel, I told that she was a character of a story, fairy tale. She was a princess. So, that is also a allusion used here. Second thing, metaphors. Metaphors, orphan who don't have nagging parents. So, Amanda is compared to she is comparing herself to an orphan. She wants to be an orphan. So here metaphor is used. When it is decided that this is this, then that is a metaphor. You are not comparing. It is decided that this person is like I told you earlier also that camel is ship of desert. Now ship is something else, but camel carries a person from one place to another, and ship also carries a person from one place to another. So here camel is taken to be a ship of desert. Here in this case, Amanda is considered as orphan. She wants to be an orphan, so here metaphor is used. Now here two more examples are there. Silence is golden. This is also a metaphor. Freedom is sweet. This is also a metaphor. Now coming to the rhyming scheme. Don't bite your nails, Amanda. Amanda, Amanda, straight, and Amanda. So these are the 4 things in the first stanza. So the rhyming scheme is A, B, A. Because Amanda, Amanda is repeated 3 times. So A, and straight B. So A, B, A. Here if you see, see me blissfully. So all are same. The sound of all 3 words are same. So C will be there. Now again in Amanda, Amanda shoes, Amanda. So the rhyming scheme is A. Okay. D, why D is used? Because shoes is not rhyming with straight. So and C is already used, so we will say DA. Getting it? Amanda, Amanda is same as in the first and third paragraph. So this is the rhyming scheme. Now here I am an orphan, naming the street, feet, and sweet. Again some new words are there. It's not rhyming with see me blissfully. So we will give another alphabet E. Getting it? So this is how the rhyming scheme is made. I will be sending you the rhyming scheme and all the alliteration, and just mark it down in your book and write it down in your copy.